Imagine waking up tomorrow morning feeling unstoppable, full of energy, clear-minded, and ready to conquer your day. Now imagine that this feeling comes from something as simple as a smoothie. Yes, in just 5 minutes, you can blend a powerful combination of banana, oatmeal, and spinach that transforms not just your mornings, but your entire life. Stay with me, because what I am about to share will completely change the way you start your day and you won't want to miss a single tip. Bananas are often underestimated, but they are true superstars, packed with potassium, natural sugars, and fiber. Bananas provide instant energy without the crash of caffeine or sugar-laden drinks. Every bite fuels your muscles, supports heart health, and regulates blood pressure. Picture this. You're heading to work, school, or your morning workout, and your body already feels energized and ready. That's the power of a banana smoothie. It's creamy, naturally sweet, and so versatile. You can add cinnamon, vanilla, or even a spoonful of peanut butter for an extra boost. Oatmeal isn't just for bowls. You can blend it into a smoothie that keeps you full and focused for hours. Its complex carbs release energy slowly, preventing mid-morning crashes and cravings. Imagine sipping a smoothie that fills you up while powering your brain, stabilizing blood sugar, and giving your body the nutrients it needs. Pairing oatmeal with banana creates a creamy texture that feels indulgent, but is actually a health powerhouse. It's the perfect breakfast for anyone who wants convenience, nutrition, and satisfaction in a single sip. Spinach is more than just a salad ingredient. When added to your smoothie, it quietly packs vitamins, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants that your body craves. It boosts immunity, strengthens bones, supports cognitive function, and helps your skin glow. The beauty is that when blended with banana and oatmeal, spinach's flavor is subtle, almost invisible, but its benefits are immense. Every green sip is a step toward better energy, a stronger immune system, and overall vitality. Think of it as a green superpower that fuels your body and mind without you even noticing. When you combine banana, oatmeal, and spinach, something magical happens. The sweetness of banana balances the earthy taste of spinach, while oatmeal creates a creamy, satisfying texture. It's not just about taste, it's about creating a routine that your body thrives on. Daily consumption of this smoothie can improve energy, mood, focus, and overall wellness. Imagine feeling clear-headed at work, productive all morning, and energized without coffee. This simple smoothie ritual signals to your body that you care about your health, making it easier to maintain healthy habits in every other part of your life. To get the most out of your smoothie, consistency is key. Drink it every morning, ideally within 30 minutes of waking up. You can also experiment by adding extras, chia seeds, flax seeds, protein powder, or a handful of berries for extra antioxidants. Use almond milk, coconut water, or Greek yogurt to adjust texture and flavor. Remember, it's about nourishing your body, not just filling it. With each sip, you're fueling your brain, muscles, and metabolism. Over time, you'll notice better energy, reduced cravings, and improved digestion. This is the small daily habit that makes a huge impact. Now imagine finishing this smoothie and feeling unstoppable. You're alert, motivated, and ready to tackle anything. That's not luck, that's the result of prioritizing your health and fueling your body with the right nutrients. Your body responds to the choices you make, and a simple smoothie can spark a chain reaction of positive changes. From better workouts to improved mental clarity, consistent energy, and overall wellness. This habit has ripple effects throughout your life. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start today. Blend your first banana, oatmeal, and spinach smoothie, and feel the difference immediately. Every morning you choose this smoothie, you're investing in yourself, your health, and your happiness. In the end, it's more than just a smoothie, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Every sip represents a choice for energy, clarity, and well-being. With banana, oatmeal, and spinach, you're not only nourishing your body, but you're also sending a powerful message. You care about your life, your health, and your potential. Start this habit now, and watch as your mornings end, eventually your entire life transform. Remember, the first 5 minutes you spend blending this smoothie are the first 5 minutes toward a stronger, healthier, and more energized you. This is simple, effective, and life-changing. Take action, blend, sip, and thrive.